Once you make a grilled cheese waffle, you're not going back.
Really? Okay. Make me a believer.
Basically a textured panini press, if you really think about it.
I love paninis.
A little bit more groove in it. You get that waffle pattern instead of the lines. Same toasting effect on the bread.
Mm-hmm.
Get some cheese melted real nice.
Yeah, I bet. I think it's gonna look good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be crisp.
It's gonna be the crispy.
Flaming Hot Cheeto Rice Krispie Treats. I know you guys probably are thinking this is crazy, and it kind of is, but even crazier is that this actually tastes good. You just make normal Rice Krispie Treats and then sub the Rice Krispies for Flamin' Hot Cheetos. I promise it's amazing.
chicken thighs. Let's get into it. Alright, for our spices, we have lemon pepper, kosher salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika. Then we're going to mix our spices with olive oil, add it onto our chicken thighs, make sure it's fully coated. Then we're going to let it marinate for a couple hours. When it's time to bake, we're going to bake on 30 minutes on one side, 20 minutes on the other. While that's baking, we're going to make our sauce. We're going to add butter, minced garlic, add in our honey, water, soy sauce, lemon juice, fresh slices of lemon. And once that's done simmering, we're going to add it onto our thighs. Make sure it's fully coated on our thighs. Then we're going to stick it back in the oven and caramelize for a few minutes. And then here you have it. Honey, garlic, lemon pepper, chicken thighs. Hope you all try this. Hope you all enjoy.
The secret to a perfect roast chicken, even as a beginner, is to stuff the skin with a herby butter. Doing this keeps the flesh so moist while you crisp up that skin. I also like to stuff the chicken with skin-on ingredients, so lemon, garlic, onion, whatever you choose, just stuff it to the brim. Adding an oil to the surface of the bird also really allows the seasoning to stick to the skin, intensifying the flavour once it's cooked. Of course, you want to do this to both sides, really brushing that seasoning into every crevice of the bird. I like to lightly season vegetables at the bottom of the tray, add a little bit more oil, and then add the chicken. Bake for an hour and a half until juicy.
Alright, if you have braces, keep scrolling. But basically, I saw this guy on my For You page. I'm going to tag him and make this thing called tangulu. I don't know how to say it. I think it's Japanese, but you basically cook 2 parts of sugar to 1 part water till it's like frothy like that. And then you coat fruit on a skewer on it and let it set. And it's like a candy sort of thing, but it was so sticky. Like crunchy and sticky.